Hello everyone, welcome to our channel CA Atul Mangal. Myself Chartered Accountant Anshu Bansal. In today's video, our topic is on Section 80D, which is on health insurance and medical expenses deductions. Before commencing, I would like to clarify that Section 80D is applicable exclusively under the old tax regime. First, we will review the deduction limit chart, followed by addressing common questions. Tax benefit depend on the taxpayer shares. Here the deduction limits. First, for resident individuals. Deduction for self, spouse, dependent children below age 60 years is 25,000 and can take 5,000 for preventive health checkups, provided maximum limit is restricted to 25,000. If individual house parents, whether dependent or no, and having age below 60 years, then individuals can take additional deduction for parent rupees 25,000. So maximum deduction available for individual is 50,000. If individual have parents, whether dependent or not, and having age 60 years or more plus resident, then individual can take additional deduction for parents 50,000. So maximum deduction available for individual is 75,000. If self, spouse, and parents both having age 60 year or more plus resident, then deduction will be 50,000 for self, spouse and dependent children and can take 5,000 for preventive health checkup, and additionally an individual can take additional deduction for parents rupees 50,000. So maximum deduction available for individual is 1 lakh. Now comes to second case for NRIs. Deduction for self, spouse and dependent children, whether senior citizen or not, is 25,000 and can take 5,000 for preventive health checkup, provided maximum limit is restricted is to 25,000. If individual have parents, whether senior citizen or not, then individual can take additional deduction for parent rupees 25,000. So maximum deduction available for individual is 50,000. Now we will try to solve some of frequent asked questions related to income tax, health insurance deduction, such as: people often wonder which payment qualify for tax deduction. Apart from health insurance premium for self, spouse, dependent children and parents, eligible payments includes expenses for preventive health checkups, medical expenses for senior citizen provided they are not covered by insurance, contribution to central government health scheme or other government notified schemes. People inquire who qualifying for medical insurance tax deduction. Tax benefits under Section 80D apply to individual, resident and non-resident and Hindu undivided families. Next question is, can premium be paid in cash? To claim an 80D deduction, premium must be paid by banking channels. However, preventive health checkup can be paid in cash. Next, they ask what are single premium insurance health policies. In Budget 2018, this provision is introduced, which allow for claiming a deduction for single premium health insurance policy, where you need to pay the entire premium upfront in lump sum for a multiple year policy and can deduct a portion of your tax return by dividing the lump sum premium with the policy validity year. Deduction amount subject to maximum limit of rupees 20,000 or 50,000 based on age. Further, they ask for, can anyone split medical premium payment to insurance company? Yes, split payment are allowed, enabling individual deductions provided your medical insurance company permits it. At last, they ask for, can I deduct medical expenses for parents? Yes, you can claim a deduction for parent medical expenses up to rupees 50,000, subject to these conditions. They do not have any medical insurance policy. Parents are 60 years or above. Payment made by banking channels. Valid bill and receipt for expenses required. That concludes today's presentation. We hope you found the video informative and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. For additional content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.